Hello my crafty friends, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com and I'm back with another video. As you can see, because it's taking up the whole screen, I have this humongous box and it's called OnStage at Home. For those of you that don't know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and normally every year the Stampin' Up! Has like a little convention, but unfortunately the in-person convention could not be held this year because you know why. So they decided to have the event at home where everybody can do it virtually. So if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. If you have been here before, then welcome back. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, yeah, I already said, leave me a comment below. I love to hear what your thoughts and just any comments that you may have. I love talking and conversing with everybody and getting to know you. So Stampin' Up! Sent us this swag box, and you may have seen it. I decided to wait until now to open it and unbox it, and we'll go through some of the things together. So, like I said, I knew I was going to get a box, but it's huge. I didn't know it was going to be this big. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So first, hopefully you can see everything. We have a note from Shelly. Excuse me, a note from Sarah. I don't know what I'm thinking. And this is regarding the swag box. So let me set that aside. Oh, and look at the, oh my gosh, it's almost like a denim material, kind of. Not really. Now, some people do and some people don't like. I have a thing for bags, and I love, love, love getting bags. And usually every time that we go to an on stage, we do get another bag. Yeah, but I am not unhappy about this one because I love it. Love, love, love it. Oh, look how it's nice and large. Okay, I'll just take this aside and we'll scroll through that in just a moment. Let's take all this stuff out of here. Oh, look, Stampin' Up! Now this is a sign. Oh, look at I love the inside of this box. I'm thinking there's going to be some kind of stamp set or embellishment or something with that particular image. So, let me move that aside. And let's see what this is. Now, normally at OnStage, we, just like here, we have grid paper. And to protect our surfaces, we usually get grid paper that we can stamp on. And yes, we usually try to take our grid paper home, and then it ends up being, you know, folded and in quarters, and you really can't use it like it was before. But this is really pretty. Oh, wait, it's more than one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of grid paper. Love it. I love grid paper. So now I have 4 different kinds. I have this one that I'm going to be saving probably for special occasions. I don't know. It's silly talk. This one was for the 30th anniversary. Then there is the standard one that's like black and white. And then there's also one that has the new end colors. I may have shown you that before, but I'm not sure. So we have grid paper. Love, love, love that. To protect our surfaces. And also, what is this? Let's see. Open this up. I'll move that aside. Uh-oh. So right here, these are some stickers. Okay, cool. So this tells me, well, yeah, I have not seen the new catalog, and the new catalog that I'm referring to would be for the January to June 2021 catalog, along with Celebration. And again, that just doesn't come out until January. But one of the perks of being a demonstrator is that we get to view and order some things early from the catalog. So we have extra time to play with it, which is really great. And the dragonfly, I know, I'm going to show you, we were able to order something with the dragonfly. So this is telling me that these might be some images from a future stamp set that we may be able to buy. Love the lips, the fruit, the ice cream cone, flamingos. So let's set that aside. And always in our bags, we usually get some notebooks, which is great. They're all ready. And we usually take notes from the business presentations. And actually, I'm recording this the day before On Stage. On Stage for us will start on a Thursday evening with recognition and I don't know if rewards, but recognition for the demonstrators' different achievements. And so that one, I'm sorry, this one has dots. And this one, love the outside. This one has just lined paper. I love the abstract color wash of that on the front and back. Love those colors. I like bright colors, in case you did not know. And this just kind of has like the symbol of what our everything is this particular catalog. And this one, oh, beautiful blue white color wash. This one has grid lines. Love that. Love, love, love that. So that was in there as well. So let's go to the bag. And this is a huge bag. I could use this like for an overnight bag, or if I'm going to go somewhere, then I could use this as to put a lot of my Stampin' supplies in there. I could fit a ton of stuff in this particular bag. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. They're like popsicle or ice cream bars. Love that. Take out some stuff. So, I don't know if you can see. This is a huge, huge bag. Let me see if I can do this, because I know this is going to be kind of close for you all. But it's huge. And there's a zipper on the inside. Nice, deep, deep pocket. Pocket on the outside, on both sides. And there's a pocket at the very bottom. Love that. I don't know where I'm going because I'm not going much places nowadays, but whenever I do, I will be prepared. So on the inside, we also have some, oh, cute. So we have some pins. Okay. So mine is this little, it looks like a little snail mail. Oh, I just thought about that. That's one of the little emblems. So maybe some snail mail items or something like that will be a stamp set. Here's the On Stage, and here's like the little ice cream bar. Now you can keep these, or you can trade these with others if you like. But that's super cute. Also in here, that's what this is. They also use, oh wow, this is so cute. A nice pen, like a gel pen. Did it tell us what colors these are? I'm gonna have to try to guess them. It's probably the same colors on there. So I'm gonna say Pacific Point, Melon Mambo. I don't know if that's Garden Green. Pumpkin Pie. Gorgeous Grape is at the very end, and I can't see which yellow that is. I don't know if it's crushed curry. It looks like crushed curry. I could be wrong. But that is super cute. Oh, and we got a stamp set, a cling stamp set. It says, enjoy the moment. Good things are worth waiting for. A little note, enjoy the moment. Friendship is found in simple things. Happy birthday. Now, this particular stamp set, again, it's one of the perks for being a demonstrator. We were able to get this early in our swag bag. But this particular stamp set will not be available until January. So, I'm not going to tease you too much with that. Also, one of the perks for doing the On Stage is that we were able to order a bundle early. Again, this is going to be in a January to June catalog. But this is what we're going to be making our samples and different projects with during On Stage at home. We'll be doing different projects, I think 3 projects. So I will make the projects and I will recreate them in a video later on. I have no idea what the projects are going to be. I have cut out the some of the pieces for the projects, but once we start the different presentations, the stamping presentations, in a couple of days, then I'll know exactly what we're going to make, and I'll try to recreate those in a video for you. So we were able to order this Dragonfly Garden bundle. This includes this Dragonfly Garden stamp set. I don't know, it's Dragonfly, it might be not Dragonfly Garden bundle, but it's the Dragonfly Garden stamp set. Love that. Now this particular image right here will color in the wings, but it's not meant to be a perfect match, so don't worry about that. It comes along with the punch. Love that. And also paper. And it's on the inside. I can't say what the name of this is. Again, we'll have more information about this because, again, this will not come out until January. So you have more than enough time to prepare to get that. But one of the great things about that is that these particular dragonflies can be cut out with the punch. Love that. Also with the bundle, we were able to get Mossy Meadow. This is like linen thread. Is that what they call it? Yeah, linen trim. And it's the Mossy Meadow color. I've already used that in a project. And I cut some out for the project that we'll be doing. And the last thing that we were able to order with this particular bundle, and this is called Ladybug Trinkets. So, I don't know if you can kind of see, I'll flip them over. Little bitty ladybugs that you can put on your projects. How cute are those? Love that. So, once we get started at OnStage and they'll show us exactly what we will be creating, I will come back and recreate that for you. And I think that's all I have for you for right now. I'm super excited for OnStage to get started. It'll be, like I said, in a couple of days from when I'm recording this. And yeah, so I got something to write all my notes down from the presentations and have a pen. And one thing that I did buy that is really not part of this particular OnStage bundle, but I did buy this water container. Well, you can put any kind of thing, but it says inspire, create, and share. Has a stainless steel straw, and I'm going to fill this up with some hibiscus tea so I can sit back and drink that as they're having the different presentations on Friday. And I am super excited. So if you're interested in any of these kind of information and you were thinking about becoming a demonstrator so you can enjoy earning and purchasing some items ahead of time, I'll leave some information in the link below. And again, I'll have information on my blog on how to join to be a demonstrator. There's no pressure or anything for you to sell anything. You can be your own best shopper. We used to usually call them, you know, we say hobby demonstrator, but you know, you have your own personal shopping lists, and you can purchase from yourself and get all of these great things at a discount. So again, if you like any of this information, leave me a thumbs up. I'll be back with some more videos showcasing some of these particular items that we're going to be using through OnStage. And look out for other videos as well, because I'll be back real soon with some more stamping videos for your entertainment. Well, I think that's all I have for you for right now. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks, and have a great day.